Good morning and happy Monday. Welcome back to the Orlando Science Center, where we're celebrating cultures. And throughout the month of May, we wanted to highlight AANHPI Month. And I'm joined by Yami today, and we are going over some arts and crafts as well.
Yes. So during the month of May, we're going to be celebrating here at the Science Center AANHPI Month, which stands for Asian American Native Hawaiian Pacific Islander Month. So that actually encompasses over 50 different countries and cultures, which is really awesome. And we have a program here called Mini Maker on the weekends, on Saturdays and Sundays, where we're going to actually be able to make some crafts inspired by some of these cultures.
Okay.
So we've got one right here. This is a parol, which is from the Philippines. So this is typically used around the holiday season. You'll see these on windows, even on Christmas trees sometimes, and we're going to make a simplified version of it right here. So it's a very simple craft you can do at home.
Okay.
We used paper plates, construction paper. We've got some ribbons here, and then if you want to be able to hang it, we can also use pipe cleaner as well.
Okay, cool.
All right,
Let's
ready
get
to
started.
get awesome.
Yeah.
All right, so we've got already a few things set for us. So our base of our parol here will be our paper plate.
Okay, so you just took a paper plate, cut out the middle part.
Yes, very simple. And then again, you can make it extra fancy if you want. We did a little bit of a design around here, but it can also be simplified in that way.
Lovely.
And then the most important part is making sure that we have a star in the middle.
Okay.
So we're going to put our star here. We've got a little bit of tape if we would like to put there. So that can be put on however we would like.
Okay.
And again, we can use whatever materials you have at home. So if you want to use tape, you want to use glue.
Thank you.
If you've got some extra fun stickers at home, you can use those as well too.
Cool.
So we'll put these on here, and then the next fun part is going to be, we're going to be making those beautiful ribbon pieces that iconically come down from the bottom. I used construction paper, but we've got some actual ribbon pieces that we can use here to give it a little bit of an extra sparkle to it.
Let's go ahead and add those on.
Yes, absolutely. And what's really cool about the parols is that they can be, traditionally they're made out of like bamboo and paper, but as technology has evolved, now they have lights and strings attached to them as well. So we're just kind of mimicking that with the things that we have at home here. So we've got some beautiful ribbons that we can add to it. And like I said, this is just one of the programs, one of the crafts you can do in our Mini Maker program this month. We're going to be highlighting 3 cultures. We're highlighting the Philippines, Vietnam, and South Korea as well.
Sweet.
Yeah, so it's really cool. Guests have an opportunity to choose one of 3 crafts, and this is just one of them. And you can work together as a family, make different variations of them. Sometimes parols will have, traditionally they'll have like a casing around it, but they also come in just the star form itself, like a 3D image as well. So you could get a little creative with it and even use popsicle sticks or sticks to make it 3D as well too. All right, look at that. Beautiful, we love it. Very, very pretty. Look at that. All right, and then we're going to finish it off with our hole puncher here.
Okay.
So that we can actually hang this up and display it in our house beautifully. All right, and then what color pipe cleaner would we like to use? I just got a few different colors over here. We've got red, green, and orange. What are we vibing?
I'll go orange.
All right, orange it is. So we're gonna take this here, we're just gonna loop it through and secure it however we want. So we take that side, take this side, you just bend it. Pipe cleaners are nice and easy to use for that. All right, there we go, a little simplified parol, and we can hang that in our window, in our room, or wherever we'd like to remember some of the different amazing cultures and community that we have around us.
Awesome. Well, I feel like I learned a lot today, and I can't wait to make more of these with you guys right here at the Orlando Science Center as we're highlighting different cultures, AANHPI Month, right here, coming up throughout the month of May.